we have some missing number addition and subtraction problems. So first, 1/6 plus what equals 5/6? Well, our denominator will be 6 because we've got a 6 in the question and the answer, and 1 plus 4 is 5, so our missing fraction is 4/6. And that makes sense because if we have a missing number addition, we can use subtraction to find our missing number, and 5/6 minus 1/6 is 4/6. Now 1/3 plus what is 2/3? So our denominator will be 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so our fraction is 1/3. And again, if we subtract to find the missing number, that's 2/3 minus 1/3, which is 1/3. Now 5/8 minus what is 1/8? Again, our denominator is going to stay the same, and 5 minus 4 is 1, so our missing number is 4/8. And that makes sense because if the second number in a subtraction question is missing, we use subtraction to find the missing number, and 5/8 minus 1/8 is 4/8. Now 5/9 minus what is 2/9? Our denominator this time will be 9, and 5 minus 3 is 2, so our missing fraction is 3/9. Again, 5/9 minus 2/9 will find us our missing number, and that's 3/9. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.